Thank you for your subscribers' comments. Yeah, I really make a mistake on question 7. I admit it. I'm sorry. So I update the solution for question 7. Please accept my sincere apologies. Okay, I will improve. Okay, give me more idea comments. Okay. So first of all, it's about fire rocket vertically explode into two parts, okay, which is a maximum height. Maximum height, so low motion at first. So it is an explosion. All the force is internal force, so momentum is conserved. So before momentum is zero, after momentum is still zero, so should conserve, okay, so not increasing. The term is immediately after this explosion, okay. So when they explode, but how can they explode? Okay, although they have the zero total momentum, so x is a larger, heavier. So x is here, y is here. So they have to explode with exactly opposite momentum, p and negative p. So the overall total momentum still conserved equals zero, as it is stationary at this maximum position first. So they have the same magnitude of momentum. So which one has a more kinetic energy? So remember EK, you can have mv squared, but for this one I prefer you to use the alternate form of p squared over 2m. Because when you use this one, because compare x and y, they have the same momentum. So same momentum situation, EK will be proportional to 1 over m. So the heavier one will have less kinetic energy. So x is heavier, larger m, so smaller p squared over 2m has smaller kinetic energy. So 1 is correct. So 1, 2 is correct. So the answer is A. Thank you.